Hi guys, I'm Nate with Good Mayhem Racing. This is not the 4Runner that raced the Baja 1000. No. This is the Ford F250 that I'm going to use as a tow truck. That is right. For $13,000 cash, I bought this super cool machine, test drove it, everything worked, it was great, and I drove it home. When I got home, something felt off. It wasn't anything that the seller had or any of the issues that are common with vehicles like this. No, it smelled weird. When I opened the cabin and look on the inside, I could hear this water sound sloshing back and forth. I was like, man, this water sound is like really familiar. What's going on with that? I recognized the smell of the water and the mud that had gotten inside the cabin and underneath the floorboards. It was St. Louis Pass mud and water. And for those who don't know, there's an off-road area in the Galveston part of Texas, and it is called St. Louis Pass. There's a lot of off-roading that you can do there, a lot of driving, and there's some big puddles that you can drive trucks through because it's fun. And there are some of them that are so deep, 3 or 4 feet deep, that you can get a vehicle stuck in them. And I'm pretty certain that's what happened to this truck. And I'm pretty certain it was recent because there's no mold yet on the cabin or anything like that. It's just wet, it's just muddy. It just smells bad. So good news, I bought a truck. Bad news, it's stinky. So I am ripping apart all of the cabin and I'm ripping up the floorboards, gonna get that mat out. I'm gonna do a lot of washing with it tonight and get all of that stuff icky and nice and clean. And that way I can put it back in and then continue working on the rest of the truck. What are the specs of this truck? It is a Ford F250 with a super cool service cab on the back of it. It is a crew cab, so it can hold 4 people comfortably. It is 4-wheel drive. It is gas, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending upon how you look at it. This is a gas truck. Yes, I do not have the joy of having diesel power to tow my vehicle with. This is something that I can maintain. This is something I can replace all the fluids, replace all the filters, get everything nice, scrubbed and clean, and then put everything back together so I can enjoy this Ford F250 for a long time.